Hi, I'm Rebecca Lloyd.
And I'm Addison Smith.
And we are Harford County Public Library's mobile outreach team with the Rolling Reader Bookmobile.
Do you like the Rolling Reader?
Yes! Love it! They have some great music and every variety. Okay, it's so good!
The Rolling Reader's mission is to promote reading and the love of learning and increase school readiness skills. Now, we do this by a targeted outreach approach that actually provides story times and STEM activities to after-school students in some of our lowest income communities in the county.
In just the first half of 2023, the Rolling Reader hosted 458 programs in the community that saw an attendance of almost 10,000 people. And at those stops, the kids we saw checked out over 22,000 books.
But unfortunately, the Rolling Reader has required increasingly intensive repairs over the last 5 years. And sadly, when the Rolling Reader is off the road for repairs, well, the children who rely on our services are without them, and they don't have their library.
And this is why we're asking for your help. HCPL Foundations raises supplemental funds for initiatives and resources that aren't funded by the county library budget. You're helping us raise funds to purchase and outfit a new Rolling Reader.
Well, I hope that we can count on you in this meaningful endeavor, and you'll know that your contributions will have a direct impact on our most vulnerable kids in our county. Thank you.